Major agencies of United Nations: UNICEF, WHO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO. Introduction. The UN has several specialized agencies through which it operates. These work for the social and economic development of the developing countries. Each agency has a particular agenda that it follows. The agencies and their functions are as follows. UNICEF, headquarters in New York. It was created by UN General Assembly in 1946 to help the emergency needs of children in post-war Europe. In 1950, its program was extended to provide long-range benefits to children of all developing countries. Later, its name was changed to United Nations Children's Fund, however, its acronym UNICEF continued. It is governed by 36 members executive board which review its activities and approves its policies, country programs and budgets. Its main objective is to look after children by providing low-cost services in maternal and child health, nutrition and immunization, etc. Functions of UNICEF: protection of children's survival, health and well-being, to make efforts to prevent diseases like TB, eye or skin disease, malaria, etc. Provide technical supplies, equipments, medicines, pipes and pumps, etc. Provide funds for training personnel including health and sanitation workers, nutritionists and teachers. To help government to plan, develop and give best services in fields like maternal and child health, nutrition, clean water and sanitation. Provide help to children and mothers in emergencies like calamity, epidemics and strikes, etc. WHO, headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. It is UN's specialized agency for health. It was established on April 7, 1948. April 7 is celebrated as World Health Day every year. Its objective is the attainment of the highest possible level of health by all people. Functions of WHO: it helps countries to improve their health system by building infrastructure, institutions, manpower, etc. Promotion research to cure and prevent diseases like heart disease, cancer, etc. Gives important drugs needed for medical care, immunization on major diseases like polio, tetanus, measles, etc. To prevent diarrheal disease that is killer of infants and young children. Safe drinking water and waste disposal. Fighting and preventing diseases like malaria. Organizes conferences, seminars and training for healthcare personnel from different countries. Defines standards for purity of medicines. Publish health journals like Bulletin of the WHO. UNESCO, headquarters in Paris. It was established on 4th November 1946. Its main objective is to contribute to peace and security in the world by promoting collaborations among nations through education, science, culture, etc. It also works for the protection of human rights. Functions of UNESCO: education, removal of illiteracy, financial help to disabled children, promotion of education, education of women and girls, organizing book fairs and exhibitions, scientific activities, organize seminars, conferences of scientists in various countries, promotes basic research in the field of geology, physics, mathematics and oceanography, finances engineering and technology schemes in developing countries, help in correcting the imbalance in scientific and technological manpower, encourages study of social science and combating discriminations, improving status of women, helping youth to solve their problems. Functions of UNESCO: communication, set up regional networks, train technicians and deals with both hardware and software aspects of informatics. Improves quality of press, films and video services. Assists developing countries to develop communications. Preservation of cultural heritage. Provides funds, equipments, advice to preserve monuments and other artworks. Encourage artistic creations in literature and fine arts. Promotes cultural missions, that is exchange programs. Protects world inheritance of books, art and rare manuscripts. Work on cultural development tech through medium of films.